Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today we have really special guest with us, TRANCE. Please introduce.
Hello, I'm Taco. Hi, I'm Timsu.
Hello, my name is Yuli.
And I'm Sosang.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask few questions, some fun questions. But first, skincare question, okay? So, do you guys have a skincare routine?
I don't think so.
I kind of do. Yeah, I do for sure.
Okay, how about Tansu? No?
Only sunscreen.
Oh, good.
Actually, he uses vitamin C as well. yeah.
Oh, for brightening?
Yeah.
New collection in his skincare regime.
Alright. Okay, if you could collaborate with any artist, dead or alive, who would it be? Any artist.
Laney.
Lenny, oh.
Ray.
Prince.
Prince, wow.
SRV. Stevie Ray Vaughan.
The videographer is like, yeah. Okay. If your music were a skincare product, which one would it be?
Music,
Yeah.
like the song.
Yeah, anything.
Okay.
Skincare product, which one would
Let
it
me
be?
think.
Like vitamin C is for brightening, so it radiates,
Okay.
like a bright.
The name of the
Music, so
song.
yeah.
Like, give us 1 minute to think.
Okay, please take your time.
The song.
Orange?
Sunflower. Yeah. Orange Red.
Yeah.
Orange.
Yeah.
That will be it. Sunflower by Orange Rex County.
Okay. If you weren't doing music, what would you be doing?
I think I would have been a flight attendant. That was my dream before I became a singer. I wanted to fly across the world, but here I am.
Okay.
If not music, I think, software engineer.
Oh, okay.
Software engineer. Too.
IS officer, Misa Kwese.
IS officer.
Yeah, definitely a police.
Oh, same. Okay. Next question. Oh, same. What's your pre-show snack?
Pre-show snack.
Okay.
Actually, I don't eat much. I don't. I drink a lot, like green tea, warm water, or maybe. No Coca-Cola. Only green tea and stuff like that.
Yeah, usually no snack. Yeah.
Before the show.
No snack, only water.
Hey, are you sure?
Yeah. Same, only water.
Okay. First concert you ever went to? First concert you ever went to?
I don't have. I think I don't have.
It was in 2013.
Wow. You
I think it was Striper. Yeah. 2007 Hornbill Music Festival, Parikrama.
Whoa. How do you remember the year?
I don't remember.
First concert ever.
I don't know. Let me think.
Even I don't remember, but I think mine was Petra. Yeah, in Dimapur.
Yeah.
I don't remember, but I think it'll be a Hornbill Festival. Hornbill Festival, someone somewhere, or maybe it was us performing, and then or maybe it was a different festival. I don't remember. I'm sorry, I don't have an answer.
Okay. One last question. One of your favorite song from your album. Just one.
That is very hard to pick.
Yeah, but you have to pick one.
But the recent album or the whole catalog?
The whole. Just one. You just have to. From all of the
Ay,
albums, you just have to choose one.
that's
One favorite. Who wants to go first?
7 hours.
You can pick the same one.
More Love or February?
Okay.
I'm on your side.
Mine would be February as well.
Okay.
And I know Eva's favorite song, More Love.
Only with more love. I love the song. So anything that you would like to convey to our viewers? Any
About
surprises coming up or new releases or anything?
yeah, we are currently working on so many new things. There is so much to unfold from you can expect a lot from us this year. Too many stuff coming up. Cannot give you much. I cannot give you hints like that much, but you can just keep following us, keep supporting us, and you will see. If you follow us, just go to TRANCE page, and you'll see the updates there. So
Yeah. Okay.
And Yuli's getting married. Oh, I'm just kidding. Oh,
Oh my gosh! I was like, isn't she single? Oh my gosh!
the ring. Hello. Where's the ring?
Anything else you'd like to add? Anyone?
Anything coming up, you can tell about our music, please. Yeah, I was kind of.
What?
Yeah, you can
About the
stuff,
album
yeah.
or
Well, we are currently working on a
Yeah.
collaboration with one artist from Korea,
Yeah.
from South Korea. So
The
yeah.
band from Korea. Yeah.
Oh,
So that's a
Yeah.
big, huge thing coming up. Yeah. And maybe an album this year. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, let's go. So follow Trance Effect, everybody, and thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
So you guys don't have a skincare routine, right?
I do.
No,
but
oh, you
not
do,
them.
but
Yeah.
not them. Sunscreen is very important, so we're gonna bless all of you with something.
Wow. I always love free stuff.
thank
Oh wow.
Video of Jocelyn sunscreen.
Wow.
No, that's not one.
Thank
For
you.
Yuli.
Thank you.
And for Sosang.
Always love free
So,
stuff.
thank you so much.
Thank
Trance
you.
Effect, everybody, signing out.